So hey, what's up pretty people, this is Hyperrider 400. Welcome to a new day and a new vlog, and I hope all of you guys are doing fine. So with that said, let's dive right into the video. So in this video we are going to learn something called as coolant flush. We are going to flush out the coolant totally from our bike. To do this process we have to first take off the tank, which is optional. You can either do it with taking the tank off or without taking the tank off. It's up to you. If your bike is hot, do not remove the radiator cover because the coolant can just pop out when it's hot. So in order to access the coolant tank, you have to first take off the tank in order to access this part of the area. So for the tank there are 3 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, no, total 5 screws, and 2 of them are here. So once you get this thing off, be careful while getting it out, see that you don't scratch it. Keep it in one place. Step 3 is also optional. You can either take off the belly pan or you can, even do that without taking off the belly pan. But I felt taking off the belly pan will help me. In case if it's not helping you, you can just keep it where it is. To remove the belly pan, then make sure you take off this belly pan. So let's get started with it. Keep a bucket or something ready in which you can hold up the existing coolant from your tank. Unscrew the drain bolt as it is shown in the video. Once you unscrew that, let all the coolant come out, let all the existing coolant come out. So this right here is the drain bolt for coolant. Yep, now let's unscrew this and then let the coolant drain. Once you drain all the coolant from the radiator, you have to drain the coolant from the reservoir. Once you're done with draining the coolant from the radiator, draining the coolant from the reservoir is easy. There is a lock system for a pipe wherein you can just pull it down with a plier and then all the coolant will just flow out from the tank. Let the coolant drain from the reservoir. You need to use distilled water. Once again, you need to use distilled water, and it's compulsory because distilled water won't harm anything inside your radiator, whereas the normal water we use to drink, that can harm the components or cause corrosion inside the radiator. So use only distilled water. To drain it again until I get the clear water which comes out. Once the distilled water is drained, you can screw the drain bolt once again. Okay, so finally I fixed my drain bolt. Here, this is what it should look like. I'll just tighten it and then I'll put this inside and then lock this thing up and probably look at the coolant tank. It's fully empty. Then I pretty much fill the coolant in it. Now this is something which is very important. That thing is pouring coolant. You need to pour 750 ml of coolant in the radiator tank and 250 ml of the coolant in the reservoir. you're done doing all this, you can put back your tank, the reservoir cap and the radiator cap, and you're sorted.
So why is it so hard to let you go?
So now for that, after you're done with everything, just start your bike and keep it for a warm up until the radiator fans kick in. And once the fan kick in, you can turn off the bike and you're successfully done with the coolant flush. So thank you for making me a part of your day. Bye bye, see you, take care. And it's already very late at night and even I'm sleepy.
को शेट ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का दबाकर लाकर शेट ठोक दीजिए 5,000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए ये 4,000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा ऐसा नहीं चलेगा ऐसा नहीं चलेगा लाइक ठोकी दबा के
So if at all you haven't subscribed, so there's one more thing which is there which I need to tell you guys is you guys are watching the video around 60 to 75% of you guys are watching the video and leaving without subscribing. So if you're one of them, please make sure you press the subscribe button, ring that bell icon, and you know what to do in the comments. So yeah, and if it's share worthy, if it's informative, you can share the video to your friends and family. So yeah, so that's it for the day. Bye bye, see you, take care, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.
को शेट ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का दबाकर लाकर शेट ठोक दीजिए 5,000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए
So why is it so hard to let you go?